SoundBytes from Vet Advantage, an official publication of the NAVC. We're taking a closer look at Restore Nitric Oxide Accelerated Wound Healing by Noxsano. You can find all the information in this video inside a recent issue of Vet Advantage magazine. Just look for the Noxsano Restore Tear-Out. Restore by Noxsano has three key features. First, Restore accelerates wound healing and is clinically proven to drive 40% faster healing. Restore delivers a continuous supply of nitric oxide directly to the wound bed and promotes blood flow angiogenesis, healthy granulation, and epithelialization. Second, Restore reduces workload and costs. Restore can be left in place up to 7 days. Longer change intervals and fewer office visits save time and money, plus no special equipment or training is required. Third, Restore controls and prevents infection. Restore provides infection control, including resistant bacteria, remediates biofilms, and reduces the need for broad-spectrum antibiotics. The Restore line of wound care products offers multiple forms for all wounds on all animals. Restore wound pads deliver potent nitric oxide technology for fast wound healing and are ideal for all wounds, especially exudative wounds. Restore Wound Gel delivers fast healing with the same potent wound-healing nitric oxide technology in hydrogel form, which can be applied directly to the wound bed. Restore Wound Gel is ideal for large wounds, complex geometries, or those in high mobility areas. The Restore Wound product line utilizes proprietary technology to generate nitric oxide upon activation with water at point of use. Restore prevents infection, actively drives wound closure, and accelerates the healing process. Nitric oxide, a small diatomic gas, is known to play a critical role in regulating the wound healing process. As a biological messenger, nitric oxide activates the inflammatory response, initiates wound disinfection, and stimulates angiogenesis and cell proliferation, all key phases of the wound healing cascade. Inflammation. When skin is broken, nitric oxide production increases at the site to act as a biocide and disinfecting agent to cleanse the wound. Proliferation. As healing progresses, nitric oxide acts as a biological messenger to stimulate angiogenesis and cell proliferation, leading to granulation of the wound bed. Remodeling. In the final phase of healing, nitric oxide signals the wound to re-epithelialize and collagen to remodel the subdermal layers of skin. Restore by Noxsano is a unique clinically proven wound dressing that delivers nitric oxide directly to the wound bed over multiple days. Nitric oxide is naturally produced by the body as part of the wound healing cascade. By delivering nitric oxide topically, Restore pads and gels speed the normal healing process, prevent and remediate infection, and can even restart the healing process in stalled wounds. Restore provides advanced wound care level performance without high cost or requiring specialized training. When visiting a retailer, always start by asking the customer if they have been recently introduced to the Restore line of wound pads and gels. If yes, discuss the benefits. If not, engage the customer as the primary contact. You can confidently position the product by saying, "I believe Restore by Noxsano will provide an important tool for managing all types of wounds in your patients. This includes simple surgical wounds, all the way through to significant trauma wounds, and those healing by secondary intent. The healing benefits of nitric oxide are well known and studied in both human and animal wounds, and Restore is clinically proven to easily deliver the benefits of nitric oxide in the veterinary context." For a neutral invitation, you can say, "Let's take a look at some basic information about Restore by Noxsano. It is available as both a gel and in 2 different sizes of wound pads. In both cases, Restore is shipped ready to be easily activated by the addition of water or saline. Once activated, the steady production of nitric oxide begins and continues for up to 7 days without changing the dressing." After an open discussion, say, "So you can decide whether Restore is a solution you'll consider for your patients presenting with any type of open or closed wound, infected or not. You'll find this your new go-to wound dressing for hard-to-heal or traumatic wounds. Simple wounds and wounds healing by secondary intent will become a breeze to care for with Restore by Noxsano." Thank you for taking the time to discover the benefits of Restore by Noxsano.